Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when x plus y is 2 and x cube plus y cube is minus 56, and we have to find the value of x minus y. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm considering it as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So I'm taking equation number second first. So x cube plus y cube is equals to minus 56. And we know the very famous identity, that is a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. So I'm going to use this property. So we can write it as x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y in bracket x square plus y square minus xy. So in place of x cube plus y cube, we can use equation number 2 and we can replace this with minus 56. It's equals to and x plus y as 2. This is minus 2. So we can replace this by minus 2. And in bracket, x square plus y square minus xy. Now both sides I'm going to divide with minus 2. So it becomes 28 is equals to x square plus y square minus xy. We can eliminate this and we divide 2 with 56. So equation we can write it as x square plus y square minus xy is equals to 28, and minus xy we can write it as plus 2xy minus 3xy is equals to 28. And here it becomes a formula of x plus y whole square, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy. So we can replace this x plus y whole square minus 3xy is equals to 28. So in place of x plus y, with the help of equation number 1, we can write minus 2. So minus 2 square minus 3xy is equals to 28. Minus 2 square is 4, minus 3xy is equals to 28. Now I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. So minus 3xy is equals to 24. Now I'm going to divide with minus 3 both sides. So the value of xy is minus 8. And I'm considering it as equation number 3. Now comes to x minus y. So x minus y whole square, we use the identity, that is x square plus y square minus 2xy. So we can write it as x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4xy. So it becomes a formula again, that is x plus y whole square minus 4xy, and in place of x plus y, we can use equation number 1 and write minus 2 square minus 4 times, and in place of xy, we can use equation number 3, that is minus 8. So minus 2 square is 4 and 4 times 8 is 32, so it plus 32. So the value of x minus y whole square is 36. And if we'll do square roots both sides, this square eliminates the square root. So x minus y is plus minus 6. So it is a value of square root. So we eliminate the negative sign because square root cannot be negative. So the value of x minus y is 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.